Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a DIYer looking to get smoother, more precise cuts, this video's for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best thicknessers, carefully selected for their power, precision, durability, and value for money. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. KAKA 220V Thicknesser. Taking our top spot is the KAKA 220V Thicknesser, an incredibly versatile 5-in-1 workshop solution that truly redefines space efficiency. Imagine having planing, thicknessing, sawing, milling, and drilling capabilities all in one compact unit. That's exactly what you get here, eliminating the need for multiple standalone machines that would otherwise crowd your workspace. This all-in-one approach is perfect for smaller workshops or serious hobbyists who want professional results without filling their entire garage with separate equipment. The heart of this system is a robust 2.2 kilowatt industrial-grade motor that spins at an impressive 5,500 RPM, giving you plenty of power to handle everything from delicate softwoods to challenging hardwoods with consistent, tear-free results. The generous work surface measures about 30 by 20 inches, and it can handle material up to 9.8 inches wide and 6.3 inches thick, more than enough capacity for most furniture projects and restoration work. Number 2. Xoiasth Planer Thickener. Coming in second is the Xoiasth Planer Thickener, a machine that truly excels at bringing old, weathered wood back to life. Whether you're working with reclaimed barn wood or rough-sawn lumber, this thickener delivers smooth, clean surfaces that reveal the natural beauty underneath. The high-power all-copper motor provides consistent cutting performance, while the adjustable handle and scale ruler make it simple to dial in exact measurements for precision work. Dust management is well thought out, with a dedicated port that connects to standard vacuum systems, helping keep your workspace clean and visible. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The built-in overcurrent protector and electromagnetic switch will automatically shut things down if the machine gets overloaded, protecting both you and the equipment. It's particularly well-suited for detailed woodworking projects, custom furniture pieces, and DIY restoration work. For woodworkers who need reliable performance and precise control in a compact package. Number 3. Generic DIY Thicknesser. The generic DIY Thicknesser earns its spot as the perfect entry-level machine for hobbyists and weekend warriors. This is a no-frills workhorse that focuses on doing one job really well: thicknessing wood quickly and efficiently. With a cutting speed that reaches 8,500 RPM, it processes material rapidly, while the 304mm width capacity handles most common board sizes with ease. The 6 meters per minute feed rate provides steady progress, and the 3mm maximum depth per pass gives you control over how much material you remove in each run. While it doesn't have the advanced features of our top picks, its simplicity is actually its greatest strength. You can set it up quickly and get straight to work without complicated adjustments. The compact design fits nicely in home workshops where space is limited, and the straightforward operation makes it accessible even for complete beginners. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable thicknesser for basic woodworking projects without breaking the bank, this generic model provides solid performance where it counts. Number 4. GOWE 318mm Thickener. The GOWE 318mm thickener strikes an excellent balance between professional performance and home workshop practicality. Its 1500W motor delivers plenty of power, reaching a no-load speed of 9,000 RPM to handle both hardwoods and softwoods with confidence. The 318mm cutting width accommodates wider boards, while the 150mm maximum thickness capacity gives you flexibility for various project types. What really stands out is the steady 8 meters per minute feed rate that ensures smooth, consistent results without sacrificing cut quality. The two high-quality blades work together to create beautifully even surfaces, making it ideal for finish work where appearance matters. At about 22 inches tall with a compact footprint, it fits perfectly in most workshop layouts without dominating the space. Whether you're a serious hobbyist building custom furniture or a professional needing reliable performance for daily use, the GOWE thickener delivers the precision and power you need without complicated operation or maintenance. Number 5. Generic 12-inch thicknesser. Rounding out our list is the generic 12-inch thicknesser, a powerful machine designed for handling larger projects with ease. The 1800-watt motor and dual cutter blades, working at 8,000 RPM, provide smooth, even planing across the full 12-inch width, making quick work of tabletops, cabinet panels, and other substantial pieces. The convenient crank handle and integrated scale ruler make precise adjustments intuitive, while the automatic feeding system lets you focus on monitoring the cut quality rather than pushing material through. Practical features like side grooves for easy movement and a dust exhaust port show thoughtful design that considers real-world workshop needs. The included heavy-duty stand provides stable operation, and safety features like the overcurrent protector add peace of mind during extended use. For woodworkers who regularly work with wider boards and need a machine that can keep up with demanding projects, this 12-inch thicknesser offers professional capacity at a very accessible price point. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best thicknessers. Which one do you think would fit best in your workshop? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest product picks and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!